Hello guys, good morning. So welcome back to the channel. Today I am at the workshop again. I got to do something that I haven't done for very long, which is changing the aircon condenser. I think the condenser is basically original since the car was new, so it hasn't been changed yet. I got a new part, but it is a aftermarket part. I hope it holds. And I will start taking out the front bumper, which is this whole thing, and also this bracket on top. So then the condenser basically lives inside here. You can see it's all there. It's quite old, and everything is grimy. So I am gonna start, and I'll show you guys the new part later when I open it up. And I shall continue to well, the thing about this car, if you were to take out anything from the front, right, be it the condenser, the radiator, basically the whole front has to come out, the bumper, the lights and everything. So I had to start undoing all the lights basically. So this is part of the top, so everything got to come out. And these are all lights. Right, these are four bolts that will take out the lights, and 4 bolts to take out the top of the bumper. I shall continue later. And I'll show you guys the progress. Alright, see you. So you can see from here, we can actually top the bumper out. Just come out. Same goes for this side. I haven't taken out this one. Right on top here. Go. And we should just pop right there. And go. Okay. Now we have to remove the bottom, which all these screws have to come out. I don't know whether I should take out the tray, but maybe no need. Yep. So the whole bumper should just pop out. Unplug the power to the top lens, which is just here. Right. And the whole bumper is out. Okay. Voila. So, this is the thing that we're going to change. The condenser here. So yeah, I have to remove the top like that also, and so you just come out like that. Some wires, some pipes, and this whole thing should just come out like that. Okay, right. In order to remove this top, I have to remove the lights, or else it doesn't come out. It's a big job. Alright. Okay, so the lights now. On the both sides. So the light should just come off, but I have to remove the power to it. So it's just here, right? So this clip just slides out. Up. Right, I'm going to get a tool to remove the clips. Right, got to get my specs or else I can't see a thing. So I'm going to remove this one here, all the clips underneath. So it's one of those things that it is quite hard to get to. So okay, put it here, and you guys may be able to see this. Yeah. Right, hope you guys can see. This is the clip that is in the way. Because I don't want to pull this too hard, or else you will basically break. It's usually not so difficult. Okay, there you go. So these two clips, these two connectors got to come out. And basically the light will just pop out like that. Go. Store them safely. So the whole front is out, plus the lights and everything. So now I got to remove this front bracket here. So with all the screws out, not yet, there's still two more. this one is a big one. It's 15. Oh, okay. Oh, it's not tight. Wow. I thought I tightened it quite tight last time. You see, to remove the front, I have to just to get to this condenser. I have to basically remove the whole front. Alright, so you can see the whole condenser reviewed. Alright, this is the intake that goes in, goes to the airbox, comes back out again, goes into the engine. Right, this is the power steering cooling. Right, some of the fins are mangled. It's okay. Okay, I shall continue. I shall stop for a while and continue with the rest. Okay, see you guys. Alright guys, so I have removed almost everything already. I shall show you. So there is a bracket here, and then there is a clip or screw here on both sides, here and here, and then there's a bracket here, right? So this is the power steering cooler. So this whole thing is out already. As you can see, it's loose now. I can just take it out. So minus the removal of the joints from the condenser, which is here. I got to release the aircon gas first. So we got to do it cleanly so that it doesn't pollute the environment. Right, so these are the parts that I took out. The cowling, basically to guide the air into the condenser. The intake valve, the intake is here. So I got to take out the intake track so that I can see this whole thing here. So that this whole thing I can unscrew this too, and then it is out. So you can see the bracket, I have loosened everything already. So this whole thing will just come out now. Right, I got to do the release of the gas first, which I will do through the two intake here, the high pressure and low pressure, and I shall be able to take this whole thing out. Okay, so I shall continue and update you guys in a while. Oh yes, so this is the new one. You can see the receiver dryer seems the same. The intake and the intake in and out looks the same, but there's a slight difference in the bracket here. This thing is flat. It's supposed to be bent out a little bit. So I guess the rest should fit nicely. I don't know. I shall try it, then I would know. Okay guys, see you in a while. Right, now we'll try to remove this. It's very tight. Try not to destroy my radiator. Okay. Oh, it's bending. The whole thing is bending. So I should get a pliers to hold the thing. Wow, quét ăn nhỉ?
Hả? Tiếng Anh à?
Cứ cái quay hừa. Okay. So it's loose. See, there's still some residue gas inside.
Khá đi.
Lính leo. Okay, so this is out. And this is out. And I can remove this whole thing. There you go. So the whole condenser is out. Looks old. It's quite clear. Wow. We'll try to save it just in case the other one is not too good. Bend it back a bit. Okay. Alright, so I shall get ready the new one and come back again. Right, we'll have to change these two O-rings that it is on the high pressure and low pressure pipe, you can see. So this one we got to buy a new one and then change it and then we can install back the condenser. Alright. Hello guys, so I have installed the new condenser. As you can see, this whole thing is in. Right, so there's a slight difference, so I have to use a copper wire to hold on to this bracket for the power steering coolant, and everything is in. So at the bottom, everything is in. So the pipes are all connected already. Bottom one. And there's the top one, you can't really see, but it is somewhere here inside. Yeah, right. So, and I have changed one of the pipings. You can see. When I took it out, this pipe was loose on the ends, so I have to change this pipe out. And here's the old condenser. Right, so now I'm going to put back everything, the top bracket and the bumper, and everything should be tight. So basically I also removed this bracket so I can remove the whole compressor piping, because one of the pipe was not well, so it's loose, so I'd rather fix it than take the risk of not working. So I got this, the aircon pressure gauge, and this is the top part that I was showing you, the top and the bottom that goes into the condenser. So the whole thing is going to be in. I've already put back the intake manifold to the airbox. So it's just basically putting back everything together. Alright, so I'll continue, and you guys stay tuned. Sorry guys, so now we are pulling a vacuum into the system. So the pump is here at the bottom, you can see. Yeah. And basically it's connected to the gauges, and then it's going to pull a vacuum until it's zero. So once it holds the vacuum, we will charge the gas. Alright. My man is now So now the gauge is at the correct reading, about 40, slightly under 200, and the fan is running, and the condenser is warm, so it's working. So we let it run for a little while.